Gold hit a 2-month low earlier this Thursday. We have Jim Wyckoff next. And Jim Wyckoff joins us this Thursday morning. Jim, good to have you on.
Hi, Danielle. Always nice to see you.
So, Jim, let's look at the present situation. We have hawkish minutes from the latest FOMC meeting, coupled with the U.S. dollar index hitting an 11th month high. These two events together don't spell good news for gold.
Indeed, Daniela, we're also seeing some technical selling pressure in the gold market. We fell to a 2-month low on Thursday morning. We have reestablished a downtrend line on the daily chart. Along with the stronger dollar and hawkish FOMC minutes, we're also seeing record high stock index prices in the U.S. that continues to pull investor money toward the stock market and away from other asset classes, including gold. And finally, we've got just the geopolitical situation this week. The tensions have calmed a bit. There hasn't been any major new developments in any of those hot spots. So that also is allowed for some higher risk appetite, and that's also a negative for the gold market.
Jim, and let's talk about the rally of the U.S. stock indexes. Does it concern you? Will we see a top out soon?
You know, Danielle, that's a good question. The U.S. stock indexes are in major and very mature bull market runs. The easy money on the upside has already been made in my mind. These indexes, I think, are going to probably top out sooner rather than later. Also, remember that we are heading into the historically troublesome months of September and October for the stock market. So that's going to be an important time frame. Wouldn't surprise me to see some downside price pressure in the stock indexes in that time frame. And if that's the case, that should be a bullish underlying factor for the gold market.
Jim, we also had some important U.S. economic data released on Thursday. How closely did you watch it, and will you be watching Yellen and Draghi tomorrow at Jackson Hole?
Daniela, the U.S. data released Thursday morning favored the bearish camp just because it was a little stronger data that did put a bit more downside price pressure on gold. As far as the Kansas City Fed symposium in Jackson Hole, Janet Yellen, the Fed chair, and ECB President Mario Draghi are scheduled to speak on Friday, and those two will have their comments closely scrutinized by the marketplace.
Jim, and let's get to your Wyckoff market rating now. Has it changed given the hawkish minutes we've seen?
Yes, the Wyckoff market rating for gold is now 4. That's into the bearish camp. We've reestablished that price downtrend. We've got solid overhead resistance now for December gold futures at 1,300. We've got solid technical support at 1,270. Looking at December COMEX silver, I'm giving it a Wyckoff's market rating of 2.5. That's fully in the bearish camp. Prices are in a solid downtrend. Got overhead resistance at $20 and solid technical support at $19.
Jim, thanks so much for joining us. We'll see what next week will bring.
Thank you, Daniela. See you next time. Bye-bye.
And thanks for watching Technically Speaking with Jim Wyckoff. You can email us at newsfeedback@kitco.com and register for our weekly newsletter so you won't miss any stories or videos. You can do so at the link below. Thanks for watching.